Hey, good afternoon. Trying out the Screencast-O-Matic for the first time. So just playing around here. This is the announcement page in my LIB 280 class, and I used to do more detailed agendas as announcements, but then I realized it was taking up too much space, and I was actually sort of duplicating links everywhere, I was never really sure I'd got everything right. So I've changed that a little bit, and so I now have it where I just post in that the agenda is available, and I give a link to the agenda for the week, and I sort of mention where they can find more information. So they click on the agenda, it takes them to it opens up in another tab, and it takes them to the agenda that I have made for that week, and they can either do it from the agenda, or if they're really, if they're interested, they can go to the week 15 module and see everything. Um, I don't really know. This was new for me, so I don't really know if this worked better or not. I didn't have any fewer questions about navigating in the class or any more questions about navigating in the class. So, um, but for me, it was somewhat easier in that these were all the links in the agenda were links to content already in D2L, so I just had to make sure the link was correct in one spot instead of multiple spots. So I don't know, it worked for me. I didn't hear any complaints from students, but I didn't specifically ask them about that. So that's something I might do um, next time I next go around on that. So I hope this explains how I have students find things.